How to add custom fonts to your Steam wallet. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can add custom fonts to Steam wallet. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open Steam through any web browser that you prefer and make sure to log into your Steam account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile name from the top right corner right here. Now, click on your profile name. A drop-down box will pop up in your interface. From there, click on Account Details. Once you're here, there you can see the balance in your wallet. Now, to add the font to your Steam wallet, click on this button. That will take you to next page. Here you can view all different types or all different amounts of balance that you can add to your wallet. If you want to add your custom font, navigate to this Add Fonts button and then you have to right click on it. From here, go to Inspect. Now this kind of code will appear in your interface. Here is your Add Fonts button and just above that there is a data amount. So you have to find it out. And then next to that there is a value for the data amount which is 500, that means £5 now. Now if you like to change it or customize it, you have to click on this value. So double click on it until the cursor appears. Now you can delete this value and then change according to your preference. For example, if you want to add £5.49, you can clear this and add 549 for the £5.49. Now once you're done, you can close this and after that click on Add Funds. After that, it will ask you to enter your payment methods. So, fill in all the required information for your payment methods. Once you have filled in the correct information, you will find an option to purchase. So, click on Purchase. After that, you will receive a confirmation that you have added £5.49 in your wallet. So that's the way to add custom font in Steam wallet, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.